Hello guys, I'm Anurag from IT and we would be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And today we are going to discuss another important question which is from linked list. The first question of linked list, that is linked list cycle. So the question states that a given head, the head of a linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. There is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Initially, pos is used to denote the index of the node that tails next pointer is connected to. Note that pos is not passed as a parameter. Return true if there is a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. Example number 1 is 3 is pointing to 2, 2 is pointing to 0, and 0 is pointing to -4, and then -4 is pointing to 2. So this is a cycle. So in this case, we will return true. In example number 2, 1 is pointing to 2 and 2 is pointing to 1. So this is also cycle. So we'll return true. In third case, there is just one node, so there is no cycle, so we'll return false. Constants are the number of nodes in the list is in the range 0 to 10 to the power 4, and node dot value varies from -10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 5. And pos is -1 or a valid index in the linked list. Follow up, can you solve it in using O1 constant memory? So this is the question, and for solving this question, what we will do is we will define two pointers, slow pointer and fast pointer, and initially we will point it to the head value, and then slow pointer will move one step and fast pointer will move two step, and we will keep on repeating this process until one of them reaches to null or they both are equal. In the case if they both are equal, then this means that there is a cycle. Otherwise, if one of them reaches to null, then it means that there is no cycle. So let's go to the code and see how we will solve this. So in the Leetcode solution section, this is the definition of linked list given to us. So struct list node and it has int value, and list node pointer next, and list node int x, that x would go to value of x, and next would be set as null. This is a function. So this is the definition of linked list given to us, and we have to implement this function bool has cycle list node head. So in order to implement it, first of all we are checking if head is equals to null, then we will return false, because then in that case there is no cycle. Then we are defining two linked list nodes, and slow and fast, and initially they both are pointing to head. So slow is equals to head and fast is equals to head. Then we will loop. So we will define one condition if fast next is not equals to null. So fast next should not be null. If it would be null, then we cannot move it 2 points ahead. So here we are updating this slow value to slow next, and fast value to fast dot next dot next. And we are checking if slow is equals to null or fast is equals to null, then we are breaking out. Otherwise, if slow is equals to fast, then we are returning true, and in the case we are breaking out, then we are returning false. So this is the code, and let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine. So it is getting accepted here. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So this solution is working fine. I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So like this video and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such top into series of questions on Leetcode.